Hook, have you ever wondered if Wealthsimple is truly a Canadian app? Or is it just a foreign company posing as a local? Let's dive into the details and see if Wealthsimple is as Canadian as maple syrup and hockey. Asterisk. Background on Wealthsimple. Brief history. Founded in 2014 by Michael Katchen, Wealthsimple started as a robo-advisor, offering automated investment services. Its mission was to make investing accessible and affordable for everyone. Growth and expansion. Over the years, Wealthsimple has expanded its offerings to include various financial products, such as Wealthsimple Trade, a commission-free stock trading platform; Wealthsimple Cash, a high-interest savings account; Wealthsimple Crypto, a platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies; Wealthsimple Tax, a tax filing service. Canadian roots. From the outset, Wealthsimple has been closely associated with Canada. Its headquarters are located in Toronto, and a significant portion of its team is based in the country. Key evidence supporting Wealthsimple's Canadian identity. Canadian regulatory oversight. Wealthsimple is regulated by the Canadian Securities Administrators, CSA, ensuring it adheres to Canadian financial regulations. This oversight provides a layer of protection for Canadian investors. Canadian partnerships. Wealthsimple has formed partnerships with several Canadian financial institutions, including banks and credit unions. These collaborations strengthen its position within the Canadian financial ecosystem. Focus on Canadian market. Wealthsimple has primarily focused on the Canadian market, tailoring its products and services to the specific needs and preferences of Canadian investors. This dedication to the domestic market further solidifies its Canadian identity. Addressing potential concerns. Foreign ownership. While Wealthsimple is a Canadian company, it has received investments from foreign entities. Some might argue that this foreign ownership dilutes its Canadianness. However, it's important to note that foreign investment is common in the tech industry, and it doesn't necessarily compromise a company's core values or commitment to its home market. Data privacy and security. Data privacy and security are crucial concerns for any financial institution. Wealthsimple has implemented robust security measures to protect its customers' information. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research and understand the company's privacy policies before entrusting your finances to them. Conclusion. Summary. Based on the evidence presented, Wealthsimple can undoubtedly be considered a Canadian app. Its Canadian roots, regulatory oversight, partnerships, and focus on the domestic market strongly support this claim. While foreign investment is a factor, it doesn't negate its Canadian identity. Call to action. If you're a Canadian investor looking for a reliable and user-friendly platform, Wealthsimple is definitely worth considering. However, it's always recommended to do your own research and compare different options to find the best fit for your individual needs. Closing. Sharp ending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, when it comes to Wealthsimple, the answer is a resounding yes. It is a Canadian app.